Hello and what's up, guys? This is Prashant Kumar from King of Maths, and our today's topic is area related to circle. This is for class 10th maths, and this chapter is exercise 12. Okay, just we today introduce about circle. What is circle? So, any circular figure that we use in our daily life are related to the circular shape, right, in some from or the others, like this cycle wheel borrow, we say about in native language is thela, dartboard, round cake, papad, drain cover, that's it, bangles, all are circular. So these all are circular, and this is the most point is perimeter and area of circle. Perimeter and area of circle, right? We write here first perimeter. 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 Uh, just traveling once around a circle is its perimeter, usually called circumference. Okay, so perimeter is equal to, and you also know from your earlier classes that circumference of a circle bears a constant ratio with its diameter. This constant ratio is denoted by the Greek letter pi. Okay, read as pi. In other words, we write perimeter or circumference is equal to pi multiply diameter. Okay, so we know that diameter is equal to d is equal to r. Okay, so we can write here pi multiply 2r, that is 2 pi r. Okay, where r is equal to radius of circle. R is equal to radius of that circle. Okay, let's see. This is the circle, this is center, O is center, and OP is radius. Okay, OP is our radius, and we draw here that point is M and Q. Here OP is equal to radius and MQ is equal to diameter. Okay, and now diameter, we denote diameter by D and radius by R. Okay, so D is equal to 2R. D is equal to 2R, or R is equal to D by 2. R is equal to D by 2. Is it clear? Very clear. Here one thing more, pi is equal to 22 by 7 or 3.14, that is approx. That is approx. 3.14 is approximately. Okay, now just come on that question, and our first question from exercise 12.1, that is exercise 12.1, and question number 1 is also let's question number 1, and our question number 1 is the radii of two circles are 19 cm and 9 cm respectively. Find the radius of the circle which has circumferences equal to the sum of the circumference of two circles. So let's draw figure. देखिए इस क्वेश्चन में क्वेश्चन ये कह रहा है कि एक सर्कल है जिसका रेडियस 9 मीटर है, दूसरा सर्कल है जिसका रेडियस 19 मीटर है. अब इन दोनों को ऐड करने के बाद जो तीसरा सर्कल बन रहा है उस सर्कल का रेडियस क्या होगा. ऐड करने के बाद किस माध्यम से, तो इसके सरकमफ्रेंस के माध्यम से. इसके सरकमफ्रेंस को और इसके सरकमफ्रेंस को जब ऐड कर देते हैं तो इसके सरकमफ्रेंस के बराबर हो जाता है और इसका रेडियस हमें फाइंड करना है. तो चलिए सरकमफ्रेंस का फॉर्मूला क्या होता है बाबू. सरकमफ्रेंस इज इक्वल टू, इसका सरकमफ्रेंस हो जाएगा आपको 2 पाई r1 प्लस 2 पाई r2 इज इक्वल टू, इसका हो जाएगा 2 पाई r3 हो जाएगा ना. अब इसमें से 2 पाई को हम कॉमन निकाल लेते हैं. 2 पाई कॉमन निकाल लिए, r1 प्लस r2 इज इक्वल टू 2 पाई r3 हो गया. यहां 2 पाई से ये 2 पाई कैंसिल हो गया, क्या हो जाएगा r1 प्लस r2 इज इक्वल टू r3. r1 का वैल्यू क्या है 9 प्लस r2 का वैल्यू 19 इज इक्वल टू r3. 19 और 9 को जब ऐड कर देंगे तो ये आपको हो जाएगा 28 इज इक्वल टू r3 हो गया ना. तो अब हम इजीली बोल सकते हैं कि रेडियस ऑफ दैट सर्कल is 28 centimeter. So radius of that circle is equal to 28 centimeter. That is our answer. Okay. Just come on question number 2. See this question. In this question, the radii of two circles are 8 centimeter and 6 centimeter respectively. Find the radius of that circle having area equal to the same sum of these two triangles, and find the radius of that circle. Okay. So we can write here, हम लोग अब लिख लेंगे पाई r1 स्क्वायर प्लस पाई r2 स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू प्लस इज इक्वल टू पाई r3 स्क्वायर. ओके, पाई को कॉमन निकालते हैं बाबू. r1 स्क्वायर प्लस r2 square is equal to pi r3 square. Pi and pi to be cancelled. Okay. Now r1 का वैल्यू है आपको 8 स्क्वायर प्लस r2 का वैल्यू है 6 स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू r3 का स्क्वायर. ओके, 8 8 जा 64 प्लस 36 इज इक्वल टू r3 स्क्वायर. सो 100 इज इक्वल टू r3 square under root 100 is equal to r3, then 10 is equal to r3. So we write radius of that circle is equal to 10 centimeter. That is answer. Okay. I hope no any doubt to all. Let's start question number 3, and that's question number 3. Question is, given figure depicts an archery target marked with its 5 scoring areas from the center outward as gold, red, blue, black and white. BK is black, W white, B blue, R red and G for green. Okay, the diameter of the region representing gold score is 21 cm. Diameter of gold region is equal to 21 cm. So radius is equal to d by 2 and d is equal to 21 by 2, that is 10.5 centimeter. So G for gold is equal to 10.5 centimeter, and find the area of each of the 5 scoring regions. The other band is 10.5 centimeter wide. Okay, so we find radius of R is equal to 10.5 plus 10.5 is equal to 21. B is equal to 21 plus 10.5 is equal to 31.5. BK means black is equal to 31.5 plus 10.5 is equal to 42, and last white is equal to 42 plus 10.5 is equal to 52.5. 52.5. These all are in centimeter. Okay, just we find area of gold, that is G, is pi r square. Okay, so pi is 3.14 into R is equal to 10.5 square, and just we solute, and this is 346.5 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर. ओके, जब इसका हम लोग इसको सॉल्व करेंगे तो इतना आ जाएगा आपको. ठीक है, अब आइए एरिया लिखेंगे. एरिया ऑफ रेड वर्जन, दैट इज R is equal to this is G. We write here G is equal to R1, R is equal to R2, B is equal to R3, BK is equal to R4, and then last W is equal to R5 for clarification. So R1 is equal to हो गया. अब आइए इसको जब हम बनाएंगे तो इसका क्या हो जाएगा. रेड के लिए पाई R2 स्क्वायर माइनस पाई R1 स्क्वायर. ओके, एंड इजीली वी फाइंड पाई 21 स्क्वायर माइनस इसका तो हम लोग डायरेक्ट वैल्यू रख लें. पाई 10.5 स्क्वायर. ओके, अगेन 21 441 पाई माइनस this is comes to 110.25 pi is equal to 330.75 pi. And now come here, we can proceed 10 39.5 centimeter square. Okay, Now area of blue region, that is blue, and our is pi r q square minus pi r1 square, sorry, pi r2 square. Okay, easily pi 31.5 square minus pi 21 square. We can write it, solve it again. 992.25 pi minus 441 pi, okay, is equal to 551.25 pi, and just we solve it, we got 1732.5 centimeter square. Okay, again area of black, area of black, that is bk, is equal to pi r to the power 4 square minus pi r 3 square. Okay, we write pi r for the values is 42 square minus pi 31.5 square is equal to 1764 pi minus 992.25 pi. Okay, we got it 771.75 pi is equal to 2425.5 centimeter square. And last, that is white, is area of white region, area of white, that is w, is equal to pi r5 square minus pi r4 square. Okay, we can write here pi 52.5 square minus pi 42 square. We write 2756.25 pi minus 1764 pi. Okay, subtract from that 992.25 pi is equal to, just we solve it, and we got 3118.5 centimeter square. That is our answer. 1 2 3 4 and one last, that all are our answer. Okay, just come on question number 4 and see. Let's question number 4, and question number 4 is related to that number. See, the wheels of a car are a diameter 80 centimeter each. How many complete revolution does each wheels make in 10 minutes when the car is traveling at the same speed of 66 km per hour? Okay, so we write diameter of the wheel is equal to 80 centimeter, then radius of the wheel is equal to 80 by 2 is equal to 40 centimeter. Okay, now circumference of wheel, circumference of wheel is equal to 2 pi r, that is 2 into pi into 40 is equal to 80 pi. Okay, again speed of car. What is the speed of car? Speed of car is equal to 66 km per hour. Just we convert in centimeter, so we write 66 into 1000 for meter into 100 for centimeter by 60 for minute, and that is comes to 11 1 2 3 and 4 centimeter per minute. Again, next, distance travel by car, we write distance travel by car in 10 minutes. Okay. So 11 1 2 3 4 into 10 is equal to 11 1 2 3 4 and 5 centimeter. Okay, and now last final, let the number of revolution of the wheel of the car. Okay, so let that is equal to n. Okay, so n into distance traveled in one revolution, travel in one revolution is equal to distance travel in 10 minutes. Distance travel in 10 minutes. Okay, we write n into 80 pi is equal to 110000. Okay, so we write n is equal to 111234 into 7 by 80 into 22 पाई का वैल्यू आ गया तो इधर 7/22 हो गया और ये 80 हो गया. ठीक है, जब इसको हम लोग कैंसिल कराते हैं तो 10 से 10 कैंसिल होता है, 11 से 2 बार में ये कैंसिल हो जाता है, पर क्या बच जाता है 1 2 3 4. ओके, 5 से 2 से इसको कैंसिल करा तो 2 5 10 1 2 3 इज इक्वल टू 7 5 35 1 2 3 बाई 8, और जब इसको सॉल्व करेंगे तो ये हो जाएगा 4375. Therefore we can write, therefore each wheel of the car will make 4375 revolutions. Okay, that is correct answer. And last question is, take the correct answer in the following and justify your answer. If the perimeter and the area of a circle are numerically equal, then the radius of the circle is. Can we solve it better? Sorry, that is question number 5. Solve this. let the radius is equal to r, circumference is equal to 2 pi r, okay, area is equal to pi r square, okay. The impulse lies 2 pi r is equal to pi r square, so 2 is equal to r, okay, that is answer. Therefore the radius of the circle is equal to 2 units, that is answer. And last, thank you for seeing this video till last, and please, if you are new on this channel King of Maths, so please like, share and subscribe this channel and this video. तब तक के लिए बहुत बहुत आप लोगों का धन्यवाद, और बहुत ही जल्द एक नए वीडियो के साथ मिलते हैं, और वो होगा आपको 12.2। तब तक के लिए थैंक यू, हैव अ नाइस डे, बेस्ट ऑफ लक।